The science of oily skin. Why your face gets greasy so fast. Why does your face produce oil? Your skin naturally produces an oily substance called sebum. This oil is made by tiny sebaceous glands beneath the skin and plays an important role in keeping your skin soft, protected, and hydrated. Without sebum, your skin would become dry and more vulnerable to irritation. Why does some skin become extra oily? People with oily skin often have more active sebaceous glands. Hormones, genetics, hot weather, stress, and even overwashing your face can increase oil production. Ironically, washing too aggressively may cause the skin to produce even more oil in response. How oily skin leads to blackheads. When excess oil mixes with dead skin cells inside a pore, it creates the perfect environment for a clog to form. If the pore stays open, the material reacts with oxygen and becomes a blackhead. That's why people with oily skin are often more likely to notice clogged pores. Common mistakes people with oily skin make. Many people think oily skin should be scrubbed constantly or treated with harsh products. In reality, this can weaken the skin barrier and trigger even more oil production. Gentle cleansing and choosing products designed for oily skin are usually better long-term strategies. Building a smart routine for oily skin. A balanced skincare routine doesn't try to remove every drop of oil. It focuses on keeping the skin healthy. Gentle cleansing, lightweight moisturizers, appropriate ingredients such as niacinamide or salicylic acid when suitable, and daily sunscreen can help your skin look fresher throughout the day. Final thoughts. Oily skin isn't something to fear, it's simply a natural skin type. With the right routine and realistic expectations, you can reduce excess shine, help minimize clogged pores, and maintain healthier-looking skin. Consistency is always more effective than chasing quick fixes. Understanding your skin is the first step toward healthier skin. If you enjoyed today's guide, like this video and subscribe to Skin Remedian for more skincare science, deep pore cleaning, and realistic blackhead removal content every week.